Clermont, filming another distribution video for the Muslim World League. You can see a lot of the kids and a lot of the parents are really battling out here. We take for granted what we have in our kind of little bubbles.
Is a kid.
We have our own private security here today.
This one, then from there we'll load it to Ama vans.
And get all those 10 people, meet at one central point.
We were trying to avoid the whole area because the chaos.
So we've just been escorted by the army into Clermont Township, and yeah, it's quite an interesting story coming through here. And we're going to start distributing parcels to the guys that need it. So the one problem that they have with this distribution is that the amount of people and the amount of things that they distribute. So they go to locations and they have 100 parcels, and then there's 3,000 people, so they have to come back every day, and these guys actually distribute as much as they can each day, and then they go back, fetch more parcels, and the next day they come out and distribute.
It's good to be doing something, giving back to the community and helping these people in need. And at the moment I'm just flying a drone. We are just capturing the scene here. The people waiting for the food distribution.
So he's got a gun, it's pointed at us. It's up there. Why are they beating them? Is there a reason for?
Phone.
They're looking for the phone.
Phone and money. It's one of our beneficiaries of this people.
Is it?
Yes.
You can really see how bad this kind of township is. The guys are getting beat for their cell phones. Yeah, Shame, and he actually works there. So what now we're going to do is we're going to go back to another spot, another location, different location to the last, and hopefully that they'll have a little bit of order there, because last time there was no order. So yeah.
We are